Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your PIN on Uber Eats. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Uber Eats, click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if you are looking for your PIN on Uber Eats, for example, you have placed an order on Uber Eats and you might receive a confirmation email that includes your PIN. Of course, you need to check your email inbox like spam, junk folder, or any recent messages from Uber Eats. Now, the thing is, if you hover to your account here, if you're using Uber Eats on the website, when you click the three horizontal lines on the upper left corner, now from here, I need you to click on Manage Account. Now, you can't find the PIN in this section. You only have your password and your pass keys. Alright? Now, for you to be able to check your PIN, all you have to do is you need to go to the Uber support resources, especially if you cannot find your PIN through the above methods that we have discussed. Alright? And from here, you can search the questions or click on the contact us option. These are the support messages that you can reach, and then from here you simply need to go to the account and payments, account settings. Of course, that is related to your PIN, right? Search for it if you can't find it here, like using pass keys to sign in. All right, that's gonna be considered a PIN as well. Now, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.